Are you looking for the best commercial coffee grinders? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best commercial coffee grinders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Baratza Forte BG. From Baratza, a company with award-winning coffee grinders, comes the Forte BG, a stylish, yet hardy commercial-grade grinder renowned for its performance and efficiency in cafe settings. The Forte is our list's editor's choice for all the right reasons. If you're looking for a grinder with top-notch quality in every aspect and truly lives up to its name, look no further than the Forte BG. This grinder has a sleek and polished look, with a stylish metal body that keeps a small footprint in your commercial or even home coffee bar. Don't be fooled by its size. It packs plenty of power and more than enough intuitive features. The Forte BG model sports 54mm flat stainless steel burrs made to provide accuracy and precision in producing coffee grinds. This machine is great for all brewing styles as it includes an impressive total of 260 different grind settings. For extra accuracy, a built-in digital scale exacts weight-based measurements to the 10th of a gram, while a digital timer comes with 3 programmable pre-set buttons for easy access to your favorite settings. Number 2, Rancilio HSD-ROC. The Rancilio HSD-ROC espresso coffee grinder is a small yet heavy-duty coffee grinder that favors quality above all. Known with a reputation for being durable and dependable, this grinder is a great addition for the home or small cafe. The HSD-ROC espresso coffee grinder comes equipped with 50mm commercial grade flat stainless steel grinding burrs for better grind control. Along with 55 grind settings, this grinder can produce any fineness of coffee grounds according to your preference. One thing that makes the HSD-ROC grinder stand out among other smaller coffee grinders is its quality. Made to last, this grinder will provide a consistently precise grind for years to come. These units are even tested for functionality before being packaged and shipped out. Number 3, Breville BG 820 BSS XL. The Smart Grinder. The Breville Smart Grinder is a machine looking to sweep away the home grinding competition, with a wider selection of grind settings and features that offer you the best control. This mainly automatic smart grinder is equipped with a vast arsenal of 60 grind settings, as well as an electronic timer that allows you to adjust the grind time all the way down to the 1/5 of a second. With 10 micro adjustments available beneath the bottom burr, amounting to a whopping total of 600 settings, this grinder is more than sure to cater to your preference with variety and precision. You can grind your coffee into any type of container, portafilter, or paper filter for that extra freedom to do as you like with the Smart Grinder. The stainless steel conical burrs offer a consistent grind that has less of chance of overheating and damaging the beans. It includes a clear and concise LCD display and interface displaying the settings you have chosen, making everything simple enough for even the beginner brewer. The Dose IQ feature allows you to program your own personal dose size, and for each grind category,